Hey there and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a really handy technique in Figma, using an icon wrapper to manage multiple icon sizes effectively. If you've ever found yourself struggling to keep your icons consistent across your dashboard or app, or wondering how to easily swap between bigger, and biggest icons without making a mess of your components, this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up an icon wrapper, meaning you can effortlessly manage and swap icon sizes just like a pro. Let's jump right in. To start, you'll need an icon ready to go in your Figma file. This can be any icon you're working with. Maybe it's a navigation arrow, a menu symbol, anything you plan to use in multiple places and especially at different sizes. A common issue in Figma is that, while you can make a component, you can't simply make that component bigger or smaller and have everything scale perfectly, while maintaining control over each variant. That's where an icon wrapper saves the day. First up, click on your icon to select it. It might sound basic, but trust me, working with the right layer selected saves tons of headaches down the line. What we're going to do next is make multiple copies of this icon, specifically at least 2 more copies for a total of 3. The reason for this is pretty simple. We want a small, a medium, and a large version that we can quickly toggle between, depending on what your layout needs, like perhaps a smaller icon in a table row and a much bigger one for a hero graphic. So once your icon is selected, go ahead and duplicate it twice. You can do this quickly with the shortcut command or Ctrl+D if you like. Now you'll see those 3 icons lined up together. Important note here. Don't make them the same size. The whole point is to have distinct variants. So click on each icon and resize them. Maybe your first one is 24x24 pixels, the second is 48x48, and the third one is 96x96. Just make sure the proportions are correct, and don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get the sizing just right. This part might take a few moments, especially if your icon has a lot of details. Next, to keep things tidy and make it super clear which is which, it's helpful to rename each layer. I like to keep it simple, name them 1, 2, and 3, or go descriptive with small, medium, and large. The names don't affect the function, but trust me, they'll help you and anyone else who opens your file know what's what at a glance. Now select all of your icon layers at once. You can do this by holding Shift and clicking each one, or just drag a marquee around them. With all 3 selected, the key step is to combine them into a component set. In Figma, that's as easy as right-clicking and choosing Create Component Set. What you've done here is wrap all your icon sizes into a single, neat package, often called an icon wrapper. This means instead of hunting around for different icon sizes, they're all grouped and ready to swap in a single click. Last but not least, let's see how this works in practice. Click and drag your new component set onto your canvas to create an instance. With this instance selected, look over to the right side Properties panel. You'll see a property reflecting the names you gave earlier, 1, 2, 3, or small, medium, large. Now, with just a dropdown, you can instantly switch between any of the icon sizes you set up. It's simple, efficient, and keeps your workflow incredibly clean. And that's it, you've just leveled up your Figma skills with an icon wrapper. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to see next. And of course, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss out on more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.